Ready? The suit is for recovery of hand loan of rupees 10 lakh along with interest para. In nutshell, the plaintiff's case can be started as under that the plaintiff is permanent resident of Yotmal and is a businessman by profession as well as dependent is also a businessman. Further, plaintiff as well as dependents are having very amicable and friendly relations in between them and both belongs to same community. Thus, in short, relations between plaintiff and dependent are very good and cordial one. Para that as the relations between plaintiff and dependent were very good, cordial, and friendly, and as dependent was in need of some amount for his business purpose, that is for the business of electronics and more particularly for the business of DTH. Thus, dependent has demanded by way of request for some hand loan amount and thus considering the relations as well as requirement of dependent plaintiff has shown his readiness to help him by providing some amount as a hand loan and at that time plaintiff has paid rupees 4,42,000 instantly on dated 8 May 2013 and further amount of rupees 5 lakh paid by plaintiff to dependent non-applicant on 10 May 2013 and while plaintiff has paid his amount, dependent has shown his readiness and given assurance in the presence of his father that he will repay the said loan amount within few days, that is up to August 2013 and accordingly dependent has issued one check in favor of plaintiff the amount of rupees 4,42,000 on dated 8 August 2013 para. It is the case of plaintiff that as the assurance given by the dependent plaintiff has presented check for encashment issued by the dependent on 11 September 2013 but said check issued by the dependent was dishonored and thus at the time plaintiff has issued one notice to the dependent under section 138 of Negotiable Instrument Act while notice dated 24 September 2013 and the same was received by dependent but at that time dependent has not paid any heed towards the said notice but at the relevant time instead of repayment of amount dependent has given visit to plaintiff along with father of dependent and requested to wait for some time and dependent this time also assured plaintiff that he is in some crisis and he will repay the amount as soon as possible and at the relevant time plaintiff has considered the request of dependent and shown his readiness to extend the time for prepayment and accordingly dependent has issued check number 131216 and at the relevant time father of the dependent has given in his handwriting the he was received back check number 10 12 16 which was bounced and a new check number 13 12 16 is drawn on IDBI Bank. In this way, dependent has got the extension of time for repayment of apportioned amount para that after some time before the expiry of time period given by dependent and his father dependent again approached and visited to plaintiff and again prayed for extension of time by praying various maids and by various means and time period for the repayment of loan amount is again extended till 18th August 2014, and this time again defendant approached to plaintiff and asked for more hand loan of rupees 58,000 so that he will issue two checks of rupees 5 lakh each for the repayment, that is total amounting of rupees 10 lakh. And for this proposal plaintiff has shown his readiness as he was assured by defendant as well as his father para. Thus plaintiff has paid again rupees 58,000 while check number 509405 drawn on IDBI Bank branch, and this amount is also received and encashed by dependent non-applicant as a hand loan. In this way, plaintiff has paid total hand loan amount of rupees 10 lakh.